Liesel, so coming to estate planning and does estate planning link to life insurance and how does that link to your will, in your opinion?
Well, if I take myself as planner, looking after my estate and my family, the important things to me is that there must be enough money. First of all, in the event of my death, my income obviously falls away, and there are additional expenses. There will be executors' fees. There will potentially be estate duty. So I need to make sure that my dependents can continue with their current lifestyle. I don't want them to have to sell the house and move property or change schools or not be able to study because suddenly my income is no longer there. So I need to have a look. That's my objective and my goal. So I need to have a look how much money would be necessary to provide for that, as well as the additional expenses in my estate. And then I also want to plan my estate in such a way that I limit those expenses, that I limit the estate duty and executors' fees as far as I possibly can. And then the other element which will give life to my whole plan and objective is really what I put in place in my will as well. My wishes contained clearly in my will, and potentially depending on the needs, maybe a trust as well. If I've got um, children that are under the age of 18, I worry about guardianship, maybe, single parents. I think that the trust for some people, definitely the will for everybody, would be very important elements of giving life to your objectives.